And same with, and creative writing, I like Brave Writer. I don't like, for kindergarten, I like the Quill series. I think it's fantastic. I don't think you need to waste your money. And I think it is a waste of money if you buy the Brave Writer program. It's not a program, it's a book. But they market it as a program. But the Quill program, I think, is well worth your time and well worth your money. And I think you'll get a lot out of it when it comes to literature and when it comes to literature and it comes to creative writing and creative thinking and discussion and things like that. I think it's wonderful. But again, I would not waste your money. And I think it is a giant waste of money if you buy the Brave Writer book. Again, it's marketed as a program. It's not a program. It's just a book they should sell on Amazon instead of selling it for it's pretty expensive. And I feel like they should just sell it for, $14 on Amazon as a book. And I think it'd do very well. As a book itself, I think it would do very well. As a program, I don't think they should sell it like that. But however, I'm full of opinions and, I get it. Not everyone is a winner.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes.
And hit the bell for notifications.